chances are you feel our pain, back pain that is. Millions of people suffer from back pain on a daily basis, but the good news is there is an end in sight. Dr. Mark Valente, a minimally invasive spine surgeon with Disc Spine, is here to tell us more. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Well, let's first just talk a little bit about Disc Spine Institute. What's it all about?
Sure. The Disc Spine Institute is comprised of a number of clinics across the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. We concentrate on minimally invasive and non-invasive procedures for neck and back pain. I'm the founder and director of the Disc Spine Institute, and we employ a lot of advanced technologies to help diagnose and treat these problems.
All right, well, the good news is you are not alone this morning. You actually brought someone who can really speak to this experience, so let's meet her. Here she comes. Ta-da! I'm excited to introduce you. Yay! This is, yay! Welcome. This is Judy Lambert. She is a Disc Spine Institute success story.
Yes, I am.
And welcome. I'm so glad that you joined us today.
Thank you.
All right, so tell us, I see that you're kind of getting around a little bit. Tell us about why you visited with Dr. Valente.
I went to Dr. Valente. I had a very busy job that I ran all over the Metroplex, and I got out of my car one day and I couldn't stand up. Went home, couldn't lay down, couldn't turn over, excruciating pain. So when you feel that type of pain,
right,
you look for help quickly. So I immediately decided to go see Dr. Valente.
Well, and you bring up a really good point, though. Millions of people do suffer from a lot of pain. You took some initiative, but other people really kind of put off seeing somebody. Why is that?
You know, I think it's primarily for two different reasons. Number one, patients may or people may have been told in the past by physicians that there was nothing that they could do to help their situation. Number two, people may have had a back surgery or procedure in the past, or they have a neighbor or relative that's had a procedure in the past and might not have had the best of outcomes. But I think that's really a remnant of the past. You know, today the diagnostic technologies and modalities we have are much more advanced, and the minimally invasive procedures that we have today are also much better. So in essence, the outcomes of surgery are much different than they were just even 10 years ago.
All right, well, let's talk about the minimally invasive approach to these issues with the spine. Can you elaborate?
Sure. You know, 9 out of 10 patients that come to the Disc Spine Institute never even need a procedure or surgery. We get them better with anti-inflammatories or pain medication, physical therapy, chiropractic care, acupuncture, injections, things like that. It's about 1 out of every 10 patients that may even need a procedure. And if they do, we do the most minimally invasive procedures available today. And that means less than a 1-inch scar or 1-inch skin incision,
wow,
minimal downtime. It takes about 45 minutes. They leave the hospital about an hour afterwards. We just spread the muscle instead of tearing it, so there's either no or minimal scar tissue, and often they're back to work in just a day or two.
That's fantastic. All right, so what was your experience like with the Disc Spine Institute?
From the time that I walked in the door and I saw Dr. Valente, we discussed, oh gosh, all the options, which included I can do injections, I can give you some pills, and I said no pills. Well, I can do some injections, we can go through the physical therapy portion. He looked at me, and after he offered all those to me, I said, so if I do that, is it going to make the pain go away, and is it going to stop? And he said, in your case, no. And I said, then let's get on with it. Let's get it fixed. I got to get back to work. I got things to do, places to go.
Got to get back to life. Right, and we have some wonderful pictures of you since you've had the surgery. There you are on a treadmill. We also have one of you on an exercise bike there. And then the last one I love, there you are swimming in the ocean. Clearly your life has changed for the positive. This is exciting news. Thank you so much, both of you, for being here. I appreciate it. So don't suffer with back pain any longer. Call Disc Spine Institute at 469-919-5959 or visit discspine.com to learn more. We've got more genes to come. We'll be right back.